morning, student. Welcome here in this YouTube channel started by that Gnan Manjari Modern School. Well, students, we have completed from Unit 2 to 7 in GE Grammar. So, Unit 1 is left. I told you that we will complete that. So, in your first exam GE portion, you have 1 to 7 unit. So, today we will start that unit number 1. We can say that it is the first and last unit of our syllabus. So, you have 1 to 7 unit in this first term exam. Okay. So, first unit is determiners. You have studied about this in 6th standard, in 7th standard. So, it is one type of revision unit you can consider. So, let's start. Please keep a book with you and don't forget you have to use only pencils. Pen is not allowed in GE book. Okay. Keep a book with you. First of all, in the box, the definition of determiners and uses of determiners are given. So, let's see what determiners are. A word that determines or limits a noun or a noun phrase is a determiner. If we apart that the determiner words, so that word which determines or which limits a noun or a noun phrase is called determiner. So, the definition is this is called determiner. Determiners can be divided into two broad categories, that is specific and general. So, we have two types of determiner. Specific and general. Specific determiners are used in noun phrase to talk about or indicate specific people or thing. We cannot use more than one specific determiner before noun. Okay, so specific determiner itself suggests the use of those determiners. So it is used talking about specific determiners. So it is used for a specific noun phrase or indicate specific people or thing. These are the uses. Before noun, you cannot use more than one specific determiner. So, these are the rules and uses of specific determiners. It is used for a specific noun phrase, indicate specific people or thing. It means if you are talking about any specific particular person or particular thing or particular name of any place, so for that we need to use this determiner, the specific determiners. Before noun, you cannot use more than one specific determiner. So, if you are talking about one noun, So with that you have to use only one specific determiner. You cannot use more than one specific determiners. So now what are those specific determiners? So list is given here. These are this, that, this, those, my, our, yours, his, her, and many more. So these are the example of specific determiners. You please note down this. After that I'll give you sentences of this. Please note down. Now second is general determiners. Let's see what are general determiners. General determiners are used to talk about people or thing in a general or in an indefinite way. Okay, totally opposite of specific determiners. It is used to talking about people or things in a general. Example for article a, an, one, every, many, more, most, much, little, few, either, neither, nor, no, other, each, some, both, any, enough, all, another, several. These all are general determiners. I am writing two or three of them. And many more. Determiner includes the following. So there are some topics in which determiners are included. So articles, possessive adjective, demonstrative adjective, distributed adjective, quantifier, and interrogative. These 6 topics are there in determiners. Means when you talk about determiners, at that time you must have idea that the determiners includes these 6 type of topic or 6 topics of the grammar, that is article and possessive adjective and demonstrative and all. While each individual person or item every use for individual focus on group. Okay students, so this is determiners. Now we'll start our exercise, that is focus exercise A. But before that, okay, no need to. Now focus exercise A. As I told you students that this is a revision unit. That's why here much information it not given, and that's why only that sufficient information is given. So we'll do focus exercise A. Let's see what it is. Underline the determiners in the following passage. So here one paragraph is given. So there determiners are given. So you have to underline that determiners. So sentence number 1. What kind of a pencil do you use? Okay, first sentence we have. So do we have here determiner? Yes, we do have, and our determiner is this. So you have to underline article A. Second is, do you use a pencil made of wood? Again here we have article A, so that is our determiner. Have you wondered why some pencils have 6 sides and some pencils are rounded? Have you wondered why some pencils have 6 sides and some pencils are rounded? So here we have some. So these two determiners we have. Most pencils are made of wood. So here we have this most. They can make more 6-sided pencils out of one piece of wood than rounded pencils. Okay. They can make 6-sided pencil. Sorry. Out of one piece. Piece of wood than rounded pencil. Pencils. Okay students, so here we have this more, okay, and this one. So this way we have identified that determiners from the lines. Now what you have to do is, see, from third line, it is convenient for the use from there to last line rounded one. From there you have to find out the determiners, that is in homework, okay. So after it is convenient to rounded one. You please note down this. After that we will go practice exercise A. Now practice exercise A. Read the short paragraph, fill in the blanks with a, an or the. Okay, with article we have to fill this paragraph. Renu and Ramya are in blank beautiful city in Karnataka. So in first we will put A. Second, blank city is called Shimoga. So here we are talking about particular Shimoga city. So they plan to take blank taxi from blank city to visit blank jog. So in third we have A, in four we have the, and in fifth we also have the. On their way they will spend blank afternoon at the place called Taivarkappa. An afternoon. Their tour guide tells them it is blank ideal place for blank safari through blank forest. So it is an ideal play for a safari for the forest. We can spot lions, tigers, cheetahs, black bucks, etc. My brother is blank official with the forest department there. He has arranged for a blank forest official to be with you always to make sure you are safe. So my brother is and he has arranged for a forest official. So this is practice exercise A. Now we have practice exercise B. Fill in the blanks with correct alternative. Options are given. We belong to this village. This is blank ancestral home. We is given, that's why our will be right answer. Sonia is in USA. I ran into blank brother at the market yesterday. He told me to. So I ran into her brother. Sonia is a girl, so her brother. Who is that young man? He is blank assistant, I presume. He is your assistant. It is not possible here as we are talking about a person. I don't know where Sharon and Jacob live. Thus, let's ask Kishore. He knows blank address. Their address. Number 4 is there. I lost blank pet dog Fluffy. Have you seen it? It has a scare on blank left ear. So I lost my pet dog, and we are talking about dog. That's why it's. So in number 5, my. In number 5 we have 2. So my and its. So this is practice exercise B. Now we are going to start practice exercise C. Complete the dialogue with this, that, these and those. Okay. Renu said, wow, blank is a lovely forest. This is a lovely forest. Ramya said, yes, enjoy the view. Look at that tree there. That tree is very far away from them. So that's why here in second that. Sorry, we don't need to use here capital. Renu said, wow, there are some monkeys on it. I have not seen monkeys like this before. Here monkeys are plural form. So this. And blank monkeys are called lion-tailed macaque. They are endangered species. They are found only in the forest of the Western Ghat. So here we have those. Okay. Now practice exercise D. Fill in the blanks with each, every, either or neither. There are 2 AC buses from the airport to the city center. Blank are, every are. You can take blank bus, but remember blank of them will be on time. They are always late. So in second we have either, and in third neither. Okay, so in first we have 3 blank, every, either, neither. Now on page number 10, second, in this hotel, blank floor has its own terrace garden. So here we have every. The banister of on blank side of the staircase to the hall are elaborately decorated. So here we have each. Now number 3. A popular comedy is staged during blank festive season in this auditorium. During each and every, both can be possible here, students. Okay, you can write any of these. We can attend the play by invitation only. Blank seat in the auditorium will be reserved for guests. Every seat. Now number 4. This play has 5 acts and each of these acts have 4 scenes. So number 4 we have each. The audience will enjoy every minute of it. Every actor has to wear a mask. So in next we have every. It adds to the fun. I have seen this play 3 times and each time it was houseful. So in next it is each. Last time a journalist quoted every word of one of the hero's soliloquies. So here we have every. So this is practice exercise D, students. Now we will go for practice exercise E. Here we have MCQs. Fill in the blanks by choosing the correct option from the one given below. I spent blank last summer trying to fix my dad's old car. So we have both of, the whole of, enough and several. B is the right answer. Number 2. I think there is blank food for all the guests. C is the right answer. Enough. This bakery is very popular. Blank the cakes are sold by lunchtime. So most of, it means D is the right answer. Blank our questions about the mystery were answered at the end of the play. All of our questions, it means A is the right answer. There was blank moisture in the room. So most of, each of, the whole of, a good deal of. So a good deal of, it means B is the right answer. So this is practice exercise E, students. In box we have given something. Quantifiers show how much or how many. Some of them are used only with countable noun, that is many, several, few, a few. Some of are used only with uncountable noun, that is much, a little, a bit of, and some of used with both, that is some, enough, any, a lot of. Okay, students, we are going to start practice exercise F. Here we have to use proper question word. Fill in the blanks with appropriate question word. First, blank party won the Indian parliamentary election in 1989. So we are talking about party, means non-animate things. It means it is not a living thing, non-living thing. So it will be which? Blank basket of mangoes did you collect from the grove? So how many? Number 3 is blank filling do you want in your sandwich? So which filling? Number 4 is blank bag is that pink one. So whose bag is whose bag? Number 5, blank milk do you drink a day? How much? And number 6, blank country does the tennis star Roger Federer play for? Which country? So this is whole practice exercise from A to F. Please you note down this, you have enough time. Please students note down this. Now we'll start extension exercise A. Read the dialogue. Tarun is traveling by train to Mumbai. He is talking to a fellow traveler, Ranjit. Use suitable determiners and fill in the blanks. So here we have dialogue between Tarun and Ranjit. We have to use determiners to fill these blanks. Okay, Ranjit said, is this blank first visit to blank city? So in first we have your and one. Is this your first visit to the city? No, it is blank second trip. So it is my second trip. I was here many years ago, or you can say several too. Do you like this city? In third we have this. It's alright for a short visit, but I wouldn't want to live here. I don't like big cities. So for a. I think you are right. Life in a big city is always hard. So in big city. Number 6 is, my cousin says the same thing. He has been living this city for a long time. So number 6 we have the, this, article a. In which part of the city does your cousin live? And number 8 is, He lives near the Central Railway Station. So this is extension exercise A. Now here something is given in the box. Some and any. Any is most commonly used in a negative sentence, some is used in positive one. There isn't any water left in this bottle, there is some water left in the bottle. In yes or no question, any is used when we think the answer is going to be no, and some is used when we think the answer is going to be yes. In short, any is used in negative and some is used in positive. Here we have extension exercise B. Fill in the blanks with some or any. Do you have any money on you? I have some money. It is positive sentence. Number 3. I want to buy some souvenir from the shop. Again, it is positive sentence. Here are some coins. Will this be enough? Again, positive one. Yes, thank you. Do you want any souvenir? It is question mark, so any. So this is extension exercise B. Now I would like to give you this description about any and some. See. Any is used in negative and interrogative sentences. This description you have to keep in your mind. Please note down this, students. Okay student, this is for unit number 1 and this is for today's video. Now I'll give you homework, and your today's homework is, first of all, that practice exercise 1, which I have already told you. Sorry, focus exercise 1. Half we have completed. And another homework is you have to write 10 sentences using different determiners. So now you have list of determiners. So write 10 sentences, you can make interrogative or any. So 10 sentences using different determiners, and that focus exercise A. Okay, so this is for today, students. We'll meet again in next video. Till then, bye. Thank you.